So today we are going to start with Magnesia phosphorica. So in short it will be called as MagPhos. Okay. So we will move toward the introduction. Formula MgHPO4 7H2. Okay. Common name phosphate of magnesium. Prover Dr. Hahnemann. So Master Dr. Hahnemann has proved this remedy, and this is nothing but your MagPhos. Okay. Now phosphate of magnesium is one of the most important remedy in your 12 tissue remedies. Okay, so this is a really important remedy in your 12 tissue. It is a precious gem derivative from the biochemical studies of Dr. Schussler's, the father of 12 tissue remedies. We had talked about Dr. Schussler's. Okay, so it is really important remedy, and especially in biochemic remedy. Okay, this salts is one of important constituents of various cell in our body, especially blood corpuscles, muscle, brain, spinal marrow, and various other tissues. Okay, so try to understand this. Okay, so these are nothing but the sphere of action of this remedy. It acts on blood corpuscles, then it acts on muscles, brain, spinal marrow, and various other tissues. Disturbances of its molecule result in pain, cramps, and paralysis. Uh, in last lecture, I said that this remedy I wanted to take because this remedy is really important remedy in your clinical practice. So this is nothing but the thing. Okay, this remedy will handle the pain, cramps, and paralysis. So pain, cramps, and paralysis can handle by this remedy very well, especially your this remedy is really important in your dysmenorrhea, your toothache. Okay, so this is really very great remedy. In homeopathy, it was Master Hahnemann who first used in the treatment of dysmenorrhea. I told you, as I told you, in homeopathy, it was Master Hahnemann, okay, who had used first in the treatment of dysmenorrhea, that is MagPhos, and he remarked that MagPhos is one of the greatest remedies for dysmenorrhea. Okay, so in dysmenorrhea, you can use MagPhos very well. MagPhos is must be there in your kit. Okay, in your kit that you can take, and it will give you a really great relief with that dysmenorrhea. Constitution, physical makeup. MagPhos is specially adapted to the affection of thin, emaciated person of highly nervous organization and of a dark complexion. Okay, so physical makeup, MagPhos specially adapted to a thin patient is really very thin, emaciated, of highly nervous organization and of dark complexion. Okay, it affects a right sided of the body. Hearing says that it's suited to young and very strong person and teething children. Okay, so Herring also said that young and very strong person and teething children. Okay, temperament, nervous temperament, relation with heat and cold, chilly patient, miasm sora in the background. A sphere of action on brain, nerves, muscle, intestine, and uterus. Pathogenesis. It produces neuralgic pain in the head, teeth, etc., which is really very sharp. Cutting, lightning like, shooting, and almost unbearable pain. A very unbearable pain, shooting pain, lightning like pain, cutting pain, very sharp pain, neuralgic pain, especially in head and teeth. Okay, it also produces spasmodic pain, especially in the abdomen. Lot of spasmodic pain. Okay, pain before diarrhea, pain in menstruation. So dysmenorrhea, in the case of dysmenorrhea, this is really a great remedy. Clinical, it has been used for colic, convulsions, cough, dentitions, headache, intercostal neuralgia, locomotor ataxia, menstrual disorders, neuralgia, toothache, whooping cough also. Then elements from this is basic of this remedy. Okay, standing in cold water on working with cold clay. Okay, try to understand it. I had used this remedy in many ladies for dysmenorrhea with elements from this particular thing. Okay, standing in cold water on working with cold clay. Okay, when there is a season of some onion. Okay, at that time they really stand in that cold water and cold clay, and they work with that. Okay, and that this leads to a lot of pain during menstruation, and it relieves this MacPhost really relieves them a lot. There is dentition. During dentition, you can use this remedy uh, in cold winds. Due to cold winds, complaints can occur, especially pain in the teeth. Cold water can also aggravate all the things. Cold water can be a cause, and catheterization. Catheterization can lead to a problem. Keynotes: it affects the right side of the body, generally head, ear, face, chest, ovary, sciatic nerve. So, right sided sciatica is also there. As we seen in our last lecture, Glycopodium was there. Okay, so there is Chelidonium, Lycopodium, Causticum, Calicar, Bryanea, Merxol. Great desire for cold air, uncovering of touching affected parts of a cold bathing or washing. Colicky pain in abdomen, forcing the patient to bend double, relieved by the heat and warmth. Rubbing and hard pressure, just like your colocin. Okay, try to understand these keynotes. There is great desire for cold air, but cold aggravates them. Of uncovering, of touching the affected part, of cold bathing or washing. Colicky pain in abdomen, forcing the patient to bend double, relieved by heat and warmth. Rubbing high and hard pressure, just like your colocin. Okay, so try to understand condition in your dysmenorrhea. Okay, uh, it will relieved by heat and warmth. So many a time ladies use that hot water bag for such at such time. There is rubbing hard and pressure will lead to a lot of a lot of relief or lot of better feeling. Okay, it is the best medicine for all sorts of pain, especially cramping, shooting like lightning. Okay, so this remedy is really very great remedy for all sort of pain. As you feel like yes, people are waiting. Okay, 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 okay. Mm, so we are talking about the pain. It can cover this type of pain, that is cramping, shooting, lightning type of a pain. Basically, cramping and shooting pain, stabbing pain, stitching pain, lightning like pain, coming and growing rapidly. Okay, these all sort of pain you will get in dysmenorrhea, in teeth ache. So dysmenorrhea, in cases of dysmenorrhea, this remedy will work magically. The pain rapidly changes from place to place. It relieved by heat, warmth, and by pressure, but aggravated by cold in general, from motion and and in open air. Okay, it will relieved by heat, warmth and by pressure, but aggravated cold in general. Okay, cold aggravation is there from motion and in a open air. During menses, pain relieved when flow begins, just like your lachesis. Lachesis also get restless when flow is not there. Okay, as soon as flow start, lachesis will relieve, just like this MacPhos. MacPhos also pain will be relieved as soon as flow begins. Okay, zincumate also having similar symptoms. All the symptoms are worse from 4 to 9 p.m., just like your colocin. Okay, 4 to 9 p.m. colocin, 4 to 8 p.m. Lycopodium. There is enuresis after catheterization. There is no hold on urine after catheterization. Okay, enuresis after catheterization. So it has been said that it will lead to a problem after catheterization. Headache, suitably especially for headache of school girls. Uh, Especially headache of a school girls, you can use Macphos, Calcarea phos, Natrum mur, Soranum, and tuberculinum also remedy for that. Headache from cold air. Right sided headache is there. Pain as if cap is on the head. Pain as if cap is on the head. Right sided headache and headache from cold air. Okay, and especially headache of the school girls. Character of headache: headache begin in the occiput, extend over the head, especially right sided, for just like your sanguinaria and cilicia, with sudden flush and red face. Pain in neuralgic character: the pain is darting, stabbing, shooting, stitching, and rapidly changing pain. Pain comes suddenly and goes suddenly. Modalities: aggravation from 10 to 11 a.m. or 4 to 5 p.m. So try to understand it. There is neuralgic pain. Pain is darting, stabbing, shooting, stitching, lightning type of pain, and rapidly changing pain. So lot of pain. Whenever there is such type of pain, you can give Macphos very commonly. Okay, pain comes and goes very suddenly. Modalities: aggravation from 10 to 11 a.m. or 4 to 5 p.m. from mental exertion or hard studies. So for due to very hard studies, in the school girls, this type of headache is there due to emotions, touch, open air, relieved by external heat and heart pressure and rubbing. Neuralgia, try to understand neuralgia of this Macphos, okay, because this is a great anti-neuralgic remedy. Macphos is one of the great anti-neuralgic remedy. Neuralgia, especially of face, supra or infraorbital neuralgia, especially right-sided neuralgia, supra or infraorbital right-sided neuralgia. It is sharp shooting, cutting, and almost undurable pain. Pain darts along the course of nerve like lightning flash and rapidly changes place. There is intermittent paroxysm, which is almost unbearable, driving the patient's frenzy. Okay, I remember one of my colleague had decided to do research on this topic, Macphos on a toothache. Okay, and he was having a great result with Macphos on toothache. Okay, so because there is lot of pain darts along the course of a nerve like lightning flash and rapidly changes the place. There is intermittent paroxysm, which is almost unbearable, driving patient frenzy. Patients are aggravated by motion, draft of cold air, and invariably by heat and warmth, pressure and bending double. Toothache, ulceration of teeth with severe neuralgic pain. There is sharp cutting, stabbing, shooting pain, lightning like flash, and rapidly changing places. Okay, try to understand this toothache. There is sharp cutting, stabbing toothache, shooting pain in lightning like flash, and rapidly changing places. Comes in intermittent paroxysm, almost unbearable. Modalities: toothache is aggravated at night from eating, drinking, especially cold things, and relieved by heat. Relieved by cold is bryonia, pulsatilla, and coffea, and relieved by warm, relieved by heat is your Macphos. Okay, understand this because this is really your great remedy in your clinic. Okay, so toothache is aggravated at night from eating, from drinking, especially cold things, and relieved by heat. Okay, and relieved by cold is your bryonia, pulsatilla, and coffea. Then gastrointestinal symptoms, colic for abdominal colic, Macphos is an excellent remedy. Okay, location: pain at the pit of the stomach or anywhere in the abdomen. Sensation: bloated, full sensation in the stomach. Character of pain: sharp, cutting, stabbing, shooting pain, stitching type of pain, coming and going like lightning. Cramping pain. There is an intermittent type of pain, a continuous intermittent type of pain, coming and going suddenly. Okay, comes in paroxysm, unbearable pain, rapidly changing place. Okay, pain compels the patient to double, just like this. Look at this picture. Okay, great distension of abdomen. Patient want to lose clothing, walks about, constantly passes flatters, which gives no relief. Okay, there is fullness, there is distension, he constantly passing flatters, but there is no relief. Tongue is really very clean. Modalities: aggravation from touch, amelioration by rubbing, warmth, and pressure. Colic differs from colocin. Both have got severe colic, making the patient to bend double. Both are relieved by warm and hard pressures. Okay, uh, colic difference from colocin. I'm talking about colocin and this Macphos. Okay, so both have got severe colic, making the patient bend double. Both are relieved by warmth and hard pressure, but the colic is not so markedly relieved by heat in colocin as in Macphos, but relieved by pressure. Okay, in colocynth what happen, it will not relieved as a heat as in colocynth, but it will relieved by pressure. Macphos has right sided colic, but colocynth are usually in a left sided. Anger with indignation is the causative factor in colocynth, but in Macphos such things are not there. In Macphos the colic is not so marked relieved by pressure, but it will relieved by heat. Macphos should be used when colocynth fails to relieve. Okay, Macphos should be used when colocynth fails to relieve. Menses: in membranous dysmenorrhea, Macphos is the great help. Time: too early. Character of flow is dark and stringy, just like your Crocus sativus. Crocus sativus, nothing but is your Kesar, huh? Eustilago also. Character of pain, severe pain in the abdomen, especially right sided pain. Pain in sharp cutting, stabbing, shooting, stitching, coming and going like lightning, unbearable pain, driving the patient frenzy, rapidly changing place, and cramping pain. Okay, understand this pain. This pain are really very important. Pain are sharp, cutting, stabbing, shooting, stitching, coming and going like lightning, unbearable pain, driving the patient frenzy, rapidly changing the places, and there is a cramping pain. Modalities aggravation, pain get aggravated before the flow begins. Okay, then amelioration when the flow begins by lying on right side and by heat and bending double. Okay, so aggravation pain is aggravated before the flow begin, and when flow begins it will get relieved. General modalities aggravation from cold air, draft of cold air or a cold wind, cold bathing or washing, motion and touch, amelioration by bending double, heat, warmth and pressure. Relationship antidote by belladonna, gelsemium, lachesis. You can compare this with colocin, which I had already done. Okay, and chamomilla. So this is all about your MACFOS. This is really important remedy in your clinical practice.